question about the energy hub. As you are aware, we have been discussing this for some time. It's a significant project. It's something that you are aware we had initial discussions in 2023 about this, and subsequently it took shape as a three-way cooperation project between India, Sri Lanka and UAE. It includes the possibility of building a pipeline coming from southern India overground in Sri Lanka to Trincomalee in the first phase, and in parallel includes the possibility of developing the tank farm complex in Trincomalee. Now, we have shared a considerable amount of information on this with Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan authorities, and I can tell you that this was the subject of fairly detailed conversation even today between the two delegations at different levels. And one of the points that was made, which I also alluded to briefly in my remarks, was that progress on this project would have stood in really good stead, especially at a time like this when both energy prices and energy availability are becoming a difficult question for several countries around the world, especially in this region. So clearly there is no further time to lose in making progress on strategic projects such as these.